Right, this is an unboxing for this, which is the Renpho. This is the USB version, smart scale. I do have I had a Fitbit on here, but when I do add the addition video onto it, you'll see me with a Fitbit. I wanted to do a quick video on this. So packaging wise, so they seem to use a cheap packaging, but I guess the reason for that is to make the price lower. Hence, I think this was £37 on Amazon. I had some vouchers to use, so I could justify it. So I had £20 voucher, so I ended up paying £17. These guys had better reviews, but I was a bit cautious about Amazon reviews as well, especially with Watchdog saying that some of the reviews seem to be fake. But it seemed to offer a lot more compared to what Fitbit Aria offers. And then obviously with it being USB powered, I thought that's an added bonus as well. So yeah, this one seemed to kind of tick the boxes, especially in regards to the what it offers. So yeah, the USB cable, so this will be to charge that, so you don't need any batteries, so you're saving quite a lot of money. Because obviously the battery probably lasts you for 3 months. This actually lasts you for 3 months, and then you could charge up again depending on how often you use it. So you've got the scale itself, slick in black. So please, so what does that say? Please, I'm guessing please press before you use. So I don't know if you can see a body composition scale. It's got the make of the model on here. I'm sure it's got some warranty with it as well, from China as usual, but it doesn't matter. So yeah, so you just got to make sure you're barefooted when you're actually, stepping onto this. So it's got the manual, but to be honest, these are pointless, I think. You got the website. Their website seems to be very informative as well, so it covers everything. But it's good to keep it, especially if you were to resell. But hopefully I'll have this for a couple of years at least anyway. Manuals always are good, but especially nowadays you got a website, so I see the point. Let's see what else is there. So you're invited to join the... Alright, okay, so you got the warranty, so you got to register for the warranty, which I didn't know. So I'll probably sign up for that as well. Know more about Renpho. I did some good research for at least a week, 3 days a week, so which was quite good. Yeah, this is quite useful then. At least they've got all that. I didn't realise this. They had an office here. So once after the lockdown's finished, if there's any issues, warranty and lifetime support, which is really good. You know what? Lifetime support's a big tick box as well. Because I know with the Fitbit Aria, it's slightly limited. But even they have good online chat support as well. So this is pretty decent. Sign into your account, click orders. Or write a product review. Oh, okay. Yeah, probably will do. Not yet though, once I've used it. I've downloaded the app, so I think I'm going to add an addition to this video. So this stuff I'm going to leave it here. First job I'm going to do is get this charged up. So I'll get this charged up. I'll add an addition to the video and let you guys know. So hopefully, obviously, it's not just food videos. I want to do some tech videos. I'm an IT guy as well as a blogger, so yeah, why not? So yeah, I'll add another edition with this. My purpose is to link this up with my Fitbit. I've got a Fitbit Versa, so link it with that. Then could hopefully get my weight down another 10 kgs, hopefully. But yeah, let me charge this up. I'll come back to you guys and add an addition to this. I thought I'll add this on anyway, so I've literally stuck it on charge. If you can see, it comes up with the red indicator. The power leads go to here, so I stuck it in just a normal USB plug. So I'll let you know, see how long it takes to charge up, possibly an hour or less. I'm guessing it's going to go green once it's done, then we can give it a test run. Right, so this is charged as much as it could. I've got my Fitbit on. I've gone down into my boxes, obviously you can't see, and a t-shirt on. It's charged as much as I could. So let's give it a go. So you can step on. I stepped on earlier, so it was about 104.3. So when the zeros are going on, that zero is basically sending a signal across to the app. So I'll put a screenshot of what it's saying, so I know in terms of I need to lose 4.4 now. So yeah, it's pretty good so far, especially the dashboard. Like I said, the dashboard I'll show you guys on the next side. But like I said, main thing for me is it should connect to my Fitbit as well. So same again, I'll put the dashboard in for that as well. Right, so I'm an iPhone user, so let's just show you the app. So it's a free app. You can download the Renpho app. So I downloaded it previously. I already weighed myself, as you see in the previous clip. So it gives you a lot of information here. So in terms of your weight, your BMI, to your body fat, to your skeleton, and so forth. So if you continue to weigh yourself, so it should trend out on a graph. If you know other people on it, you can add them as a friend as well, which is quite good. So as you can see, you get your visceral fat and so forth as well. The other really good thing is Fitbit. Now, I didn't have to do anything. It literally just synced up to Fitbit, which is really good. So all I did was just refreshed the app, and it synced the data from Renpho. So it brought in the weight that way, and it also brought in the body fat, which is really good. I used to use body track before at the gym, but this is added benefit. I don't even have to bother weighing myself at the gym. I could do that at home. So as you can see, I weighed myself twice for the sake of it. So every time you weigh yourself, it'll come up. You can check your progress on the charts. Those Fitbit users that'll know 3 months, 6 months, a year, a month. You should be able to see the trend line and see how you're doing. So you can either look at the fat or the weight itself. So yes, it's really good. Even better because I log my food through MyFitnessPal. So it syncs up with MyFitnessPal as well. So if you add in your weight through here, so here you can look at the graphs as well. So on the graph here you can see, for example, with the weight, due to obviously the lockdown now, the weight has slightly gone up. So my target and the reason for the purchase of this is to get the weight back down to what it was and to get it down even further, so below the 100 mark. So yeah, you can see here, you can look at the fat trend, you can look at the weight trend, you could even look at your steps trend as well, so on the chart. So I found MyFitnessPal a lot better in terms of for logging food. I've not used it for a while in terms of logging food, but I think I'm going to start that again now, especially with this. So this weekend, hopefully. So I'll start this. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. As you can see, yeah, so works well with these two apps. Yeah, so I'm just trying to think. I don't think there is anything else I need to tell you on here. So you get your, like I said, the body fat and so forth as well. So the two apps, so you got Fitbit and FitnessPal. Yeah, so these work in concise with Renpho app. So far, it seems very user friendly, which is a big bonus. Right, so this is the final portion of the video. So we've covered the Fitbit integration with the Renpho smart scale. So it's a USB powered Bluetooth scale. Also integrates with the Live Fitness app as well. MyFitnessPal, sorry. Right, okay, so we've had it for about a week. Support wise, it's really good as well. So I've checked out the Facebook and the website. Support on both of them, but pretty much all the platforms is pretty decent. So yeah, on that side is pretty good. Ease of use of the software as well is very good as well. So just remember to keep this handy with you as well. Go onto their website as well. It is worth having a look to see the other products they offer as well. In regards to this, the manual, it's all pretty straightforward, to be honest. There's a few little things that you gotta look at. If you get any issues, but you can always go online and ask for assistance. The only thing from my side I would say is, so just remember, keep this clean. Remember, barefooted, you would stand on this. Your feet need to be dry. And when you're moving it around, just remember of these feet. Remember to lift it up. Otherwise, if you end up damaging these feet, that will cause an issue in regards to weight. And other things as well. I'm not sure if it's going to void warranty, but that's a different scenario. So yeah, I think it's definitely worth buying these. On the previous portion, I would have covered in terms of the app. What you pretty much get more for your money with this scale than you do with the other ones. It's a shame I couldn't get the Fitbit one. But to be honest, this one covers a lot more and it integrates with it as well. So for me, it's a thumbs up. So I'm hoping, as well as food videos, we're going to cover some more tech, because tech is my forte as well as social media and blogging. So yeah, just remember to subscribe, like and share, and hopefully you can get to do some more videos soon as well. Any comments, just give us a shout as well. Thank you.